How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. This is the iPhone 13, 128 gigabyte in blue, a brand new blue color. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this. We'll first look around the box itself, and you can see no plastic around the box. It's a very thin box, you can see, but the plastic has been removed, and it is because Apple is trying to be more environmentally friendly, so they have done that, which that's cool. I agree with that. That's really nice. We don't really need all that plastic. And we look in the actual front of the box right here. You can see the iPhone. It's the back of the iPhone this year, whereas previous year it was in the front of the iPhone. But now you can feel it's got this nice raised 3D edge on it, so you can feel the 3D on the side right here, and even on the camera you can feel it. Even on the lens you can feel it, which is really, really cool. So really nice touch to the box. Really, really like that. But let's go ahead and peel the tab right here. So if we peel this little tab right here, it's got the little arrow. We'll go ahead and pull that tab, and then we look on the bottom, and there is another tab right here. There it is. There's the other tab, and we'll go ahead and pull that tab, and then we'll go ahead and place the phone down, and wow. All right. Big show. All right, there it is. We'll go ahead and pop the phone out. We'll place it down here for a second. We'll have a look at the contents inside the box right here. So we have the USB-C to Lightning cable right here. So we'll go ahead and pop that right there so you can see USB-C and Lightning. And we look inside the box. We'll grab the little paperwork, and you notice there is no charging brick. That's right. They don't include the charging bricks with the phones anymore. And I will link the one that I prefer and I use for my iPhones. Don't buy the Apple one. The Apple one is overpriced. There is another one that's faster and cheaper. I will link that down below for you guys, so go check that one out. And we'll look at the contents inside of here. We do have the SIM ejector tool, so you can use this to pop your SIM card tray, and then you can place your SIM card into your new phone. We have a couple pieces of paperwork right here, which you don't really care about. The Apple stickers. Yeah, I love the Apple stickers, but unfortunately, just the white Apple stickers. We don't have any colored Apple stickers, which in some years we do get the colored ones, the different colored ones, depending on the color of the phone or the iPad or whatnot that you get. So unfortunately, we don't get those. This is not going back. Screw it. Get out of here. All right, let's go ahead and look at the phone. Look at the blue on this. Wow, that is very, very nice. It's different from last year's blue. This is kind of like more of a coral blue as opposed to like the vibrant blue that we got last year. It was kind of like a royal blue last year, but wow, I like it. I definitely like it. We do have different cameras, so the camera is now angled on the iPhone 13 as opposed to the iPhone 12s. And let's go ahead and peel off our front piece right here. Wow. All right, there we go. Very, very nice. Very clean looking screen right here. The notches shrunk just a slight bit as well on the iPhone 13. We'll look on the side of it, and what I really do like about the iPhone 13 compared to the Pro and Pro Max is we do have the matte finish sides on them, so it's not as fingerprinty. On the iPhone 13 and 13 Pro Max, it's got like a gloss chrome look to it, and it gets very, very fingerprinty, but nonetheless, it's okay. The only downfall is actually it's kind of the opposite on the back. The back of the phone, it's definitely going to get fingerprinty. You can see I'm already going to fingerprint it up, but still, we're going to put a case on it, so it's not really that big of a deal, to be honest, so it's okay. We look on the back, or on the sides right here, we have your standard buttons, your mute on and off switch, and we go around. There is your SIM tray right there, which is really, really cool. Got that in there. And we look, oh no, that's not your SIM tray. That's your button. That's your power button right there. My bad. The SIM tray is right down here. Of course, with a hole in it. Why would we have a SIM tray without a hole in it? We got the bottom right here, Lightning. We got the speaker and the microphones down there as well. So pretty standard stuff, but definitely an amazing looking phone. If you enjoyed this video unboxing of the iPhone 13, make sure you hit that thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know which color is your preference, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.